For this video, let's capture your ideas as they unfold, turning a simple recording into a clear and meaningful message. Once you're on the dashboard, click New Video. As you can see, your camera and microphone are not able to use, and a pop-up confirmation message shown at your upper left of your screen. Click Allow. Now you can use your camera and microphone in recording Loom video. Before you begin, check your microphone and camera settings to make sure everything sounds and looks just right. When you're ready, click Start Recording. Click Confirm what to share. After that, pick the screen or window or Microsoft Edge tab you want to capture. Then click Share button. Now, the recording is ongoing, and it's up to you how long you want to do the recording. When you're finished, click Stop, and Loom will save your video automatically. With your message now captured, it's ready to be shared with ease. And that's how to record Loom video. Thank you for watching.